Okay, so when we cut 1 centimetre off each corner, we got a volume of 324 cubic centimetres. But gut reaction, that doesn't feel like it's going to be the maximum volume. Having a really shallow tray, so quite low sides, but quite a large base. I mean, it could be, but my gut reaction would be that's probably not the biggest volume I can create. So it was always sensible to tackle a task like this in an organised way. So probably my next step would be, well, let's take 2 centimetre squares off each corner. So if I cut 2 centimetres off each corner, try that a bit neater. Okay, so again, if that was originally 20 centimetres, if I'm cutting 2 off from here and from here, that is going to leave me with 16 centimetres. And again, for this task, we're just focusing on starting with a square piece of paper. So that is also going to be 16 centimetres. And I cut 2 centimetres off. So that'll be 2 centimetres. And they would then be the dimensions of my folded up box. So that's going to be 2 centimetres. That's going to be 16, and that's going to be 16. So the volume of that box would be 2 times 16 times 16. So if I whack that into my calculator, that gives me 512. So a bigger volume, and that's probably what I would have thought was going to happen. So I found 2 volumes so far. And taking 2 centimetres off is giving me the maximum volume. And the task does say just to stick to integers. So we won't at this point investigate anything between 1 centimetre and 2 centimetres. So what I would now be doing is I would be thinking, okay, well, let's think about a table of values. So let's think about how much I'm going to take off each side. So we've done 1 and we've done 2, and what volume that gives me. So was it 324? Yeah. So 324 cubic centimetres, 512 cubic centimetres. So the obvious thing now would be try 3 centimetres square off each corner, try 4 centimetres square off each corner, because can it keep going up? Well, I mean, there's going to come a point where we can't keep cutting squares off because we're going to run out of paper. So I would just start to investigate what happens as I increase the amount I take off each corner.